Good morning, student. In last lecture, we have studied about the velocity and one more question on it. Now we will discuss on average velocity and do a question on it. Clear? Okay. So, what is average velocity? Question is that what is average velocity? So average velocity is the ratio of total displacement upon total time. Clear? If an object move from a point A to point B and to point C and to point D. Clear? If an object move from A to B distance x1 in time t1, B to C distance x2 in time t2, distance C to D in of distance x3 in time t3. Clear? So the total displacement x1, x2 and x3 with total time t1, t2 and t3. Clear? So we can write here the ratio of total displacement with total time is known as average velocity. Clear? It is a vector quantity because of velocity. It is a vector quantity. Clear? So the average velocity is total distance, total displacement upon total time. Clear? So it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon t1 plus t2 plus t3. Clear? In meter per second. Okay? So note it. Now we have do some question on it. Clear? So write a question on it. Plane start flying 10 km in north, 10 km in east and 5 km in south. Clear? By taking one hour and half hour. Clear? Respectively. Clear? So find its average velocity. Clear? Oh. So find its average velocity. Let's start its solution. First of all, we have to draw direction. As we know, it is north, it is south, right of it is east and left is west. Clear? First of all, it start 10 km. Let it is a 10 km in north. Clear? 10 km in east and 5 km in where? In south. Clear? It is 5 km. From O, A, B and C. Clear? And total time is 1 hour and half hour. So we know that total time is 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 by 2 hour. So it is 5 by 2 hour. Clear? Total time is 5 by 2 hour and the displacement is, total displacement is from O to C. Clear? We know that if we draw a parallel line according to this, if 10 km is here, clear? It is also 10 km. If 5 km is here and it is also 5 km, so 10 minus 5 is 5 km. And we know that let it is point D. We know that OC square is equals to OD square plus DC square. So OD square is 5. 5 का square क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास? OD square is 5 and DC is also 10. So 25 plus 100. 125. So OC is under root of 125 km. Clear? Now we know that average velocity is total displacement upon total time. So here total displacement is 125 root over upon total time is 5 by 2. So here 2 is upside. So it is, by solving we will get 125 is, so 5 is coming from here. So 5 to the 10, you can say that 5 to the 10 into root 5 upon 5. So 5 to the, so it is 2 root 5 meter per second. Clear? So answer is, average velocity is 2 root 5 meter per second. Clear? Okay. Note it. Note down.